Hello! Welcome to this Technic Force tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss how to make SRTs with Vidscribe. Navigate to the Download section and open the folder where the downloaded SRT file is stored. And open it. An SRT is a specially formatted text file, which provides subtitles for various video players such as YouTube. You can type one out manually in a text editor such as Notepad by following this exact format here. This shows the dialog box number, the exact time codes that you want the dialog box to show, and the text that's meant to appear within the dialog box. But Vidscribe makes the process much easier. From the Vidscribe dashboard, access the Campaigns tab. Go to the campaign you wish to generate an SRT for and click the Continue button. Within the menu, you'll find the option to make SRTs. But a very important step to make sure you've covered before you make the SRT is to review the transcript. Fix the punctuation and any mistakes it may have made. You can also add or remove dialog boxes and make changes to the timing and text according to the video. You can preview how it will appear by clicking the Preview button here. And once you're happy with it, go ahead and click Save. Now that we have our proper original language transcription saved, let's go back. Now we can start making translations in various other languages. So let's go ahead and click on Make SRTs. Select French from the language options and click Go. Here you can see the text length and transcript cost pop-up has opened. Click on Proceed to continue. Very quickly, it generates a French translation of our English transcript. You can see in the preview that we've updated some text in the preview transcript section. Now, it is corrected, and we can see how the French subtitles appear just by clicking the Preview button. To save the transcribed text, click the Submit button. For downloading, click the Download option to download the SRT. Now, you can see the SRT is downloaded. A notification will appear confirming the download. Here, I'm showing different language transcripts. Let's select Arabic as the language and click Go. Here, you can see the text length and transcript cost pop-up has opened. Click on Proceed to continue. You can see the Arabic transcript has been generated. You can click on Preview to see the Arabic subtitles. In the Select list, we have lots of languages available to add subtitles. If you're dealing with a language that you cannot read and you don't know what these characters mean, you can see down at the bottom what the original text was. Hover over the translated text, and you'll see the original text in the Preview Original Text area. That's just a basic overview of how to make SRTs with Vidscribe. On behalf of the Technic Force team, thank you very much for watching. We wish you the very best of internet marketing success.